What the brap is up, you little brapsters? Cody with two wheels and a tent. And today, we got a new toy. I'm gonna go try it out on the trail. We got the Gomboy Curve folding saw. Real quick, got some news. It's pretty much official. I've spoken with people at the backcountry discovery route place. I applied to be the Utah BDR ambassador this year. And it looks like that's a go. Just don't have the official shirt and stuff yet. So anyway, I was going to do a one-night camp and try out the Gomboy Curve, but I thought it'd be really cool, since I'm going to be the ambassador, if I went down to the start of the Utah BDR and did as much of it as I could until snow hits. One problem: COVID-19. I'm an electrician by day and have not been working much, and to be honest, part of that is the COVID and part of it's just been kind of depression. So I'm not trying to cry the blues, but if you want to see me do the Utah BDR as far as I can, I need your help. There's a link below, Ko-Fi, buy me a cup of coffee. It says if you want to buy me a tank of gas. Anybody that does, I will do a shout out and put your name in the video when I make the camp video. But I don't expect that anybody's going to do that, so just enjoy this video and the other videos if you can, and want to see me do it though, feel free. Other than that, like I said, one night camp. But I opened this up and it looks pretty sturdy. Sorry about the shaky. I'm not doing an edit on this video. Just getting this up before I get out of here. So, comfy handle, fairly sturdy, still wiggles kind of like the others. Teeth are sharp, and the cool thing is you can do it like that, or you can also lock it more straight even though it's curved. Comes with a case, pocket knife, so it folds down pretty compact. I see this thing coming in handy. I don't know if I'll carry the case for long, but anyway, so far I'm impressed. I think it was around 50 bucks from REI. I broke mine actually at the start of the Utah BDR when I met Chris a couple weeks ago, so that was just a cheapy $10 one, so hopefully this holds up better. Anyway, I'm gonna hit the road. It is now 4 o'clock. The start of the Utah BDR is 6 hours ride time away, so for me that's like 10 hours the way I travel. But probably just do a one-night camp unless you guys really want to see me do this. But like I say, it's all good. Stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.